Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. On October 16th, Mercedes AMG will also be present as Mercedes-Benz unveils the EQE SUV. At 8 p.m. Central European Summer Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the couple will reveal the new electric car to the public, giving us our first complete look at the design.
Although the specifics of the powertrain are yet unknown, the EQE sedan gives a reasonable idea of what to anticipate. At least one AMG model of the EQE SUV will be available, according to Mercedes, and it will feature two strong electric motors and variable all-wheel drive. Rear axle steering, distinctive interior and exterior design cues, and the AMG sound experience, which customizes the car's outward and internal audio character, are all included in the AMG EQE SUV. Through the boost system, the AMG EQE sedan is capable of producing up to 677 horsepower, 505 kilowatts, and 738 pound-feet, 1,001 Newton-meters of torque. Mercedes should also provide a less powerful AMG EQE SUV that is comparable to the AMG EQE 43 sedan. Non-AMG EQE SUVs will come in a variety of powertrain combinations and rear or all-wheel drive options. This will be the fourth vehicle from the business to use its EQEV architecture. In August, Mercedes-Benz released the first images of the EQE SUV, showcasing the inside and announcing that it will be shown sometime in October. A large portion of the inside of the model was shown in the earlier teaser images. Mercedes' dash-spanning hyperscreen display will be installed in the SUV. When the EQE SUV could go on sale has not been specified by Mercedes. Although it wouldn't surprise us if it occurred before the year is through, early 2023 also seems like a good bet. The company's expanding electric portfolio will include the smaller EQE SUV underneath the bigger EQS SUV, giving buyers a more accessible electric vehicle. Thank you for watching.